Hi, Lennon. All right, so let's look at number one first. It says, first of all, did you watch this video? Because that might be helpful to you. Just a little refresher on how we divide fractions. I think what might be helpful to you in this problem is putting an answer in first. So maybe I would fill in, and this is just a guess on my part. I don't know if this actually makes it easier, but let's say 42 sevenths or something like that. And then I would want to say, okay, how could I get this fraction? And then I would kind of work backwards. If that doesn't make it easier, what Cooper and I did when we kind of sat down and did this problem, we just started plugging numbers in. So let me erase this part. Let's say 6/3 divided by 4/2, and then remember that becomes 6/3 times 2/4, which would be 12/12, which does not work. I can't reuse the 2, and of course I can only have a 1-digit number on the bottom. So if that doesn't work, I'm just going to try something else. I'm going to say, all right, what do I need to change here? Maybe I need to change 4/1. I see that right away that's not going to work because 1 times 6 is only going to give me 6. I'm not even supposed to use 0, so I have to try something else. So this is kind of a guess and check problem. Like I said, you can try to work it backwards. There are many, many, many solutions to this. What I've been telling other kids is, if you put 10 minutes of good work into this and you can't come up with a solution, post what you do have to Seesaw. Not a question mark, not an I don't know, but post your work, even just a picture of the work that you've been doing on a piece of paper, and that would be awesome. Okay, let's look at the next problem. So number 4 on today's quiz kind of looks like this. And my hint at the bottom was the answer is not 1/8. A lot of kids just count and they'll say, okay, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. It's 1 out of 8, so my answer must be 1/8. But what you need to remember is that these are not equal pieces. So if this was a pan of brownies and you got this much, you couldn't say that you ate 1/8 of the pan because it's just not true. It's not cut up into equal pieces. So what I like to do is I like to look at benchmark fractions. So I know 1/4, right? If I cut this pan of brownies or whatever into 1/4, I know this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and then this whole thing is 1/4, right? But I have 1/3 of 1/4. So that might be a way for you to think about it. There's lots of ways to think about this. If you don't remember, you can definitely always use Google as a resource too. Like if you don't remember how to multiply fractions or whatever, that's something that you could Google really quickly. But hopefully this helps you come up with an answer for this problem. Let me know if you have any other trouble at all, okay? Have a good day. We'll see you later.